Are you ready to unlock the power of AI video generators for your Faceless YouTube channel? Today, we're diving into the top 8 AI video generators that can help you make incredible videos and money. But wait, there's a twist. Stick around to the end because we've got a secret bonus tip that'll blow your mind. You can now turn any scripts, articles, podcasts, and texts into high-quality videos complete with fancy captions, subtitles, background music, stock footage, and AI voiceovers within minutes. With Pictory AI, you have access to a sophisticated video editing tool that utilizes AI to transform any script into a stunning video. To begin, click the link in the description or pinned comments below and you'll be redirected to the Pictory website. Click the Get Started for Free button and sign in with your Google account or email address. Once you have an account set up, open the app and you'll find 4 tools at your disposal. First, we'll focus on the script to video function. When you're ready to start, click the Proceed button. Enter your working title for the video. Don't worry, you can change this later. Paste your script in the box below, and once you're satisfied, click Proceed in the top right corner. By the way, Pictory is completely free to use. You can also grab 20% off any of the paid plans for life if you use our exclusive code, Christian41. Simply click the link in the description and pinned comments and use this coupon code when you upgrade to a paid plan. Next, you'll come across the templates library. Scroll through this library to discover the template that suits your video's style. Click on your chosen template and select an aspect ratio to proceed. Pictory AI will now go to work, reading your script and automatically selecting visuals for each scene. It's even generating those fancy captions for you. This may take a moment, so let it do its magic. If you find this video helpful and want to see more awesome content from us, hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up by clicking like. Your support goes a long way in helping us reach more people and provide even more value to you. Plus, here's a fun twist. Drop a comment saying I subscribed, and you'll get a special shout out in our next video. It's our way of saying thank you for being part of our awesome community. Let's go back to our video. Each line from your script will become a separate scene within the video. Now, let's explore how to edit the captions in your video. You can easily change any captions or visuals to add that extra bit of polish to your videos. And remember, upgrading to any paid plan will remove all watermarks from your final videos. You can use our exclusive coupon to grab 20% off any plans for life. We'll put it in the description and pinned comments below, so make sure you don't miss it. Begin by reviewing your scenes, text, and captions. On the left side of your screen, in the navigation menu, you'll find the Story View tab. On the left half of your screen, you can quickly edit scene captions by clicking on them and changing the text. On the right half of the screen, you'll see the video preview area with a row of scene thumbnails at the bottom. Click any of the thumbnails to select the scene, and you'll see the visual for that scene displayed in the video preview, along with the caption. You can edit the captions directly on the preview video just by clicking on them. When you click on a caption, you'll see a menu above the preview video, where you can easily adjust caption styles and positioning. Most of these font styling controls will be familiar to you from other applications you've used, so feel free to experiment with them. We'll delve into advanced caption styling in a future video, but for now, the default settings should do the trick. Now, let's move on to editing the visuals in your video. Back in the far left navigation menu, under Story, you'll see the Visuals tab. Click on that, and you'll discover that every Pictory AI paid plan gives you access to over 3 million royalty-free visuals to use in your videos. Review the visuals for each scene by clicking on the thumbnails and make sure they align with the message and theme of your video. To replace a video in one of your scenes, select the scene and search the library for keywords that better represent that scene. Once you find a suitable visual, click on it, and you'll see it instantly replace the video in your scene on the right. Pretty cool, right? Repeat this process as necessary until you're satisfied with your video's visuals. Moving on to audio, in the Add Audio to your video section, you'll find the Audio tab in the far left navigation menu. Here, you'll discover a plethora of background music options. Play around with them until you find one that perfectly complements the vibe of your video. You can preview each track by clicking the play button, and if you find one you like, click the apply button to use it. Additionally, you can add an AI voiceover to narrate your video. Next to the background music in the audio view is the voiceover tab. You can choose between male or female AI voices, according to your preference. Give them a try to see which one resonates with your video the best. If you prefer to use your own voiceover, you can upload it in the My Uploads tab. Lastly, let's add some branding to your video. You can find the Branding tab in the far left navigation menu. Here, you can incorporate your custom intros, outros, and logos into your videos. We'll delve into this in more detail in a future video. Once you've completed your video, remember that it's automatically saved in your My Projects folder. You can either preview it or download it. Depending on the video's size, this process may take a minute, so let it work its magic. And always keep in mind that your first video doesn't have to be perfect. Just give it your best shot to create a quick video today, and let us know in the comments below how it turned out. Imagine the power to transform any idea into a captivating video in just 1 minute, all with just one click of a button. You think of a topic, and like magic, this AI video generator tool crafts your script, assembles scenes, adds mesmerizing voiceovers, and fine-tunes every detail, all with a single click. This is your complete video solution in one AI tool, InVideo AI. I use this myself, and it allowed me to make multiple cash cow channels, earning thousands of dollars per month. With over 7 million users worldwide and a Trustpilot rating of 4.6, it's the go-to tool for creating top-quality videos with just a single click. I included the link in the description and pinned comments so it's easier for you to access. Here's how you get started. 1. Click the link on the description or pinned comments and sign up for a free account. 2. Log in and access your InVideo AI dashboard. Now, here's where the magic happens. You give the AI a topic, and it does the rest. At InVideo AI, you have multiple options for video creation. You can either write your own prompts or choose from various video types. For this example, let's go with a YouTube explainer video, ideal for engaging your audience. Here you have a few options. You can either simply write your own prompts in this box and hope to achieve the desired results, or from here, you can just select the type of video you want to create. In this example, I will select the YouTube explainer video. From here, now, I want you to select the length of your video. For my channel, I want the videos to be around 4 minutes. Then, in this box, you need to type in the topic of your video, which in my case is how to make millions in MarketCraft. Now, if you want, you can also add some more details related to what to talk about and what not to talk about in this video. Also, you can add creative thoughts and ideas here, like tone, humor, etc. Afterward, you can type in the kind of background music you want in your video. Next, you can select the gender of your voiceover in the video and the accent of the voiceover for your video. Then, in the watermark, you can simply type in the name of your YouTube channel. For video stock footage, you can select the different options available here and just click on Continue. On this page, click the Generate Video option. If you find this video helpful and want to see more awesome content from us, hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up by clicking like. Your support goes a long way in helping us reach more people and provide even more value to you. Plus, here's a fun twist. Drop a comment saying I subscribed, and you'll get a special shout out in our next video. It's our way of saying thank you for being part of our awesome community. Let's go back to our video. After searching for a few seconds, this AI tool will ask you some more information. You can select the type of audience you are creating videos for, the look and feel of the video, and the platform for which you are creating this video for. Just click Continue. Select your video length, add any specific details, and even specify background music preferences. You can choose the gender and accent of the voiceover, add a watermark with your channel name, and select video stock footage. Now, here's where the AI shines. And in just 30 to 40 seconds, it does the heavy lifting. It finds the perfect title, plans the script, records the voiceover, creates scenes, adds background music, and even inserts text. Don't worry about the watermark, you can remove it when you export the video. I will now show you a sample output video I created entirely on InVideo AI in less than 1 minute. This one is for a health niche channel that I created for a client. Honestly, it's mind-blowing.
Let's delve into how flossing contributes to oral hygiene. Flossing is more than just a chore at the end of the day. It's an essential part of maintaining optimal oral health. Imagine the plaque and food particles that build up in the corners of your mouth, in the crevices that your toothbrush can't reach. This is where flossing comes to the rescue. It reaches those hard-to-reach areas, making it indispensable in a daily dental care routine. Now, it's not just about running a string between your teeth. Proper flossing technique is important for effectiveness. You need to gently slide the floss up and down, following the curve of each tooth. It's like hugging your teeth with floss. This ensures you're clearing out as much plaque and food debris as possible.
And there you have it, a professionally crafted video ready to be uploaded to your YouTube channel. Rinse and repeat this process to keep your content fresh and engaging. So click the link on the description or pinned comments and sign up for a free account right now. Let's dive into the world of Synthesia, an AI-powered video generator that's a game changer.
Hey, I'm Alex, and here's a quick Synthesia product demo.
Utilizing state-of-the-art AI algorithms, Synthesia crafts unique, lifelike videos that will leave your audience in awe. Not only does it facilitate video creation, but it also offers an intuitive video editor for those final touches, elevating your video's quality. Creating videos with Synthesia is a breeze. To make a video, enter a text input that will be spoken on the video. You must also select the style of the video and the AI speaker. You simply input your text, choose your desired style, and select the AI speaker. Now, let's explore its features. One standout advantage is the effortless conversion of text into professional-looking talking head videos with just a few clicks. Synthesia even accommodates lengthy videos, up to a whopping 30 minutes. But that's not all. Synthesia boasts a diverse library of video styles to suit your needs, whether it's product demos, marketing messages, or more. What's noteworthy is that Synthesia is not confined to English. It supports over 60 languages, making it a versatile choice for global clientele. With Synthesia, no prior video editing experience is necessary. You let the AI do the heavy lifting. Next up is Lumen 5, another AI-powered gem. It simplifies video creation by transforming your text input into professional video clips. Lumen 5 is ideal for those new to video editing. It handles all the complex work using AI algorithms trained on extensive data. Lumen 5 offers a library of free video clips and stock images and allows you to upload your assets. Its template library is a standout feature, making it a breeze to create videos that align with your brand. It's very simple to select a template that you like and start making videos that you want to produce. Notable features include quick repurposing of existing content. Lumen 5 will generate a video script if you paste a link to a blog post or article. There is also automatic video formatting to meet the platform's requirements on where you will upload the finished product. You can also connect RSS feeds to have videos automatically created whenever a new post or article is published. You can give it a shot with a free version, or you can purchase plans starting at just $19. Meet Runway ML, a comprehensive video editing software powered by machine learning. This browser-based tool offers a wide range of tools and functions, from masking to VFX, simplifying video editing from your browser. One highlight is multi-track video and audio editing, ensuring your videos look flawless. Runway's AI can even improve audio quality by removing noise. You can easily touch up video objects and backgrounds with its paint over feature and add subtitles that the AI detects automatically. Creators can modify their content using the site's multi-band video stream format. Runway can make the videos more interesting by using powerful analysis and metadata made by AI. Runway generates accurate and distinct depth maps that will enhance image realism. Other features include rotoscoping for quick green screen editing, automatic beat detection for perfect video-audio synchronization, stock media, and video templates. Runway ML is free to try but also offers various pricing plans to suit your needs starting at just $12 per month. Our next favorite AI video generator tool is Raw Shorts. Raw Shorts takes AI into the realm of animation. This AI-powered video editor makes animated video creation a breeze. It offers a vast library of objects, settings, and sounds, making customization simple. Users can customize their videos by adding text, branding audio, and graphic elements. When you enter your article or any other content in their system, the AI scans it for key points. It then searches for appropriate media assets and inserts them into the video. Other great features include quick creation of animated videos from text, ease of use, ideal for marketing and explainer videos, creative assistance from in-house experts. Pricing options include Essentials, Plus, and Business plans starting at $20 per month. Designs AI is a versatile design tool that excels in video editing. Notably, it boasts a text-to-video function, transforming your text input into engaging videos. It supports automatic translation, making it suitable for global audiences. It allows you to paste your text, select the type of video you want, specify the language and voiceovers, and let the AI do the rest. As a result, you'll have an engaging video that tells your story using powerful audio-visual elements. Designs AI features automatic translation for multilingual videos, a variety of templates, and team collaboration. Designs AI is free to try. Premium pricing options range from basic to enterprise starting at just $29 per month. As promised, we have a secret bonus tip to supercharge your Faceless YouTube channel. Introducing VidIQ, the ultimate tool to take your YouTube game to the next level. And here's why you should check it out. VidIQ offers powerful features like keyword research, competition analysis, and real-time video analytics, all designed to help you skyrocket your channel's success. Want to get started for free? Simply click the link in the video description and pinned comments. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube journey to the next level with VidIQ. If you want to make money with your Faceless YouTube channel, don't forget to check out our next video. We'll be talking about the 5 best free AI voice generators that you can start using right now to make your channel even more awesome.